Hi, everybody. I'm Jason Thompson with CloudCheckr, a part of Spot by NetApp. Thank you for joining today. Today, we are going to cover the Well-Architected Readiness Advisor. We will do an overview of the Well-Architected Readiness Advisor, some prerequisites and requirements for the tool, how we roll it out, or how you will go about rolling it out, and then I'll do a brief demo on the tool as well. All right. So the first thing, I guess, is we need to talk about what the AWS Well-Architected is. It is a recipe for cloud success. It's a framework to help you build and run efficient, secure, and reliable systems in the cloud. Think of it as a checklist for cloud architects, a roadmap to help you avoid common pitfalls and ensure that your cloud infrastructure is set up for success. Now, where the Well-Architected Readiness Advisor comes in, it's a tool that leverages the well-architected best practices from CloudCheckr's best practice checks, as we have over 600 of them, to do a comprehensive assessment of your cloud infrastructure, identifying areas of improvement and offering actionable recommendations to optimize your environment. So whether you're a small business just starting out or a large enterprise managing complex workloads, the CloudCheckr Well-Architected Readiness Advisor can help you achieve performance, security, and cost efficiency you need to succeed in the cloud. All right, so with this, you are able to sync notes in real time with the AWS console. It'll allow you to add notes to each review question and automatically pull and display whatever notes you've currently saved into your selected workload. And you can view, edit, and update each note. And the notes sync with the well-architected tool upon saving. Now, for prerequisites and requirements, you need to be using the well-architected tool. If you don't have access to it in the CloudCheckr, just reach out to your sales representative, technical account manager to have the report enabled. Once it's enabled, you'll find the Readiness Advisor under the total compliance in report navigation, as we see on the right side of the screen here. And you'll need to opt into the report by clicking the Enable link. If you've already done this, this step isn't necessary. Once enabled, CloudCheckr will retrieve your workload data and build the report. So on the technical side of things, as we mentioned, you need to be using the Well-Architected tool within the AWS console. You need to have already created a workload within the Well-Architected tool. And it must be using the Well-Architected framework lens, which is just the default lens. For required permissions, you need the well-architected list and Git permissions in the IAM role for CloudCheckr. You can add this to any of the existing roles you have, or you can create a new independent role as long as it's an inline policy. And then to be able to sync the notes from the report, we need the well-architected update answer permission. So now we'll transition to a demo of the Readiness Advisor. So I'll get my screen share. All right, so here is the tool. Now, all the permissions that I mentioned on the previous slide, they're right here under the Show Help as well for the Get Answer and Update Answer. Now, as we see, we already have some workloads in our test environment up. We have quite a few here that we've been testing over time. I'll just stick with the initial review. And we'll hit Filter, and it will load up the results. Now, this covers the 5 frameworks that are within the, or 5 of the 6 frameworks that are within the well-architected framework. The sustainability pillar was added after we had created this tool, so we will be upgrading it at some point to add in the sustainability pillar. But the other 5, operational excellence, security, reliability, performance efficiency, and cost optimization are all here. And you would click on them to expand, and you'll see the questions that are contained within that pillar. So here we have, how do you design your workload so you can understand its state? We'll open that up, and we can see all the best practice checks that are involved in this question. You can click on these and open these up just like you can on the best practice page. So we have all of them here. And then here we can edit the notes. So we have a note in here, right, that when we did this, we had just 4 CloudTrail SNS topics. Obviously, some time has gone by, and that's changed. So we can edit our note, and we just simply have 2,084 characters that you can use to add any notes that you need that are relevant to the pillar. Then you just save your notes, and it will save it within CloudCheckr and post it to the relevant framework or pillar. And see, we have that across every pillar we have. All right, I will now go back to the presentation. So now we have our key takeaways. So with this, we can complete reviews faster, easier, and more efficiently. We can drastically reduce the time and overhead to complete well-architected reviews and ensure accuracy and completeness to keep an ongoing compliance. This will maximize the value of your cloud. Now, on top of this being a great service for an individual, either large or small business to utilize, this can also be utilized by our partners as an added service to help assist with well-architected reviews. All right. And thank you for your time and joining us in this presentation. If you have any questions, please send them to customersuccess@cloudcheckr.com. You can also, of course, reach out to your account managers, technical account managers, and partner development managers. Thank you again. I am Jason Thompson with CloudCheckr.